Hey, how you doing? Pat here. I just thought I'd do a real quick video here on changing the key fob battery. My remote was down to 50%. It's the beginning of the riding season, so why not change it? As you can see, it's super simple to get this cap off. It is tough, but it will come off by hand. Make sure the positive side is facing up, and I wanted to show you here you don't need tools to do it, but if you have a small straight slot, it will make it easier. CR2032, and when you take the new battery out, make sure it does not have a sticker on the back side. Some of them do now. Again, put it in positive side facing up, seat it, make sure the bike turns on with no warning, because you can get a brand new bad battery from the store. Once you're all happy that's good to go, then all you got to do is just snap the cap back on and you're done. There you have it. That's how you change your key fob battery. Hope you like it. If you would, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.